Hey, hello everyone, Dimitri here from uPVC.com.au. Today I'll give you an in-depth look of a Deceuninck sliding window. So here we have the anthracite grey in a smooth finish, not a wood grain decor one. So the depth of the frame is 92mm all the way around, but the sash frame width is 48mm. I would probably not suggest using these in the coastal beach conditions, because this is all you have from wind and rain protection. Behind that is two brush seals, which sit pretty much against the plastic groove inside. So brush seal inside, plastic channel. Then you got another brush seal on the inside. Same with this sash, there's two brush seals either side of that plastic channel. Thanks for watching.